Want to start a YouTube channel but don't want to show your face or even talk? Good news, you don't have to. Right now, thousands of creators are growing faceless YouTube channels using AI tools. No camera, no microphone, just smart workflows and a little creativity. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact system I'm using to build this channel, using 100% free or low-cost AI tools. We'll write a script, generate a voiceover, create visuals, edit the video, and upload it. All without ever recording yourself. If that sounds good, let's build your first AI-powered YouTube video. Every good video starts with an idea, and AI can help here too. I use ChatGPT to generate high-performing video ideas in my niche. Try prompting it with something like, give me 10 viral YouTube video ideas for a faceless AI tools channel. Once you have one, refine it with follow-up prompts like, now outline this video in 5 parts. Now write a 1,000-word script in a casual YouTube-style tone. Add a compelling intro and a call to action. You can even ask ChatGPT to match another creator's tone, like Liam Otley or Marcus Brownlee. Want a second opinion? Try Gemini or Claude 3.5. Sometimes different models give sharper results. Pro tip, once you like the script, read it out loud to yourself. Even if it's AI generated, you are the creative director. Tweak anything that sounds too robotic. Now let's turn that script into a professional voiceover. No mic needed. I use ElevenLabs for this. It's fast, free to start, and honestly sounds better than some real voices. Just paste in your script, choose a voice, and generate. Done. Want to level up? You can clone your own voice with a short sample, like I did for this video. Are you a freelancer juggling content, clients, and deadlines, and still wishing you had more hours in the day? What if I told you, for variety, try breaking your script into 7 to 10 chunks. It gives you better pacing and makes it easier to swap out mistakes. Looking for free alternatives? Try TTS Maker, PlayHT, or Descript Overdub. Whichever tool you use, make sure your pacing sounds human. Don't be afraid to regenerate a line if it feels off. Time for visuals, and again, no camera needed. Here are 3 ways to do it. Option 1, screen recordings. Use OBS Studio or CleanShot X to record tool demos, slides, or browser walkthroughs. This is great for tutorial-style content like this one. Option 2, stock footage and graphics. Use Pexels, Pixabay, or Storyblocks to get free B-roll. Then layer in Canva graphics, charts, text, infographics, and animated elements. Go to Canva, create a new video, drag in animations, and overlay your messaging or script highlights. Option 3, AI-generated video. Tools like Pictory, Runway, or Kyber AI can create visuals from text prompts. Mix and match your visuals, switch something on screen every 5 to 8 seconds to keep attention high. Once you've got your visuals and voiceover clips ready, open up CapCut and create a new project. Start by importing your files. That's your B-roll, your animations, and your voiceovers from ElevenLabs. You'll see them show up in the media bin. From here, you can drag them onto the timeline to begin editing. I recommend dragging in your voiceover first. This gives you a foundation to build around. Then start lining up your B-roll clips and visuals to match what's being said in the voiceover. Try to match visual changes every 5 to 8 seconds to keep the video dynamic and engaging. Once your clips are on the timeline, you can trim, split, and rearrange them as needed. To cut a clip, just move the playhead to where you want to make the edit and hit the split tool. If a clip feels too long or out of sync with your voiceover, trim the edges by dragging the ends. And you can also zoom in on the timeline to make precise adjustments. CapCut makes it easy to drag and reposition clips to align perfectly with your voiceover pacing. Take your time here. The goal is to make the visuals support the message being spoken.
Are you a freelancer juggling content, clients, and deadlines, and still wishing you had more hours in the day? Well, what if I told you that AI can give you that time back? Today, we're diving into the top 5 AI tools every freelancer should be using in 2025. Whether you're a writer, designer, marketer, or developer, let's get into it.
Now it's time to add background music to enhance the mood. Head over to CapCut's stock audio tab or upload your own royalty-free music. I usually keep background music volume around 10 to 20% so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Once you've dragged the music onto the audio track, fade it in and out by right-clicking the edges and choosing fade handles.
Are you a freelancer juggling content, clients, and deadlines, and still wishing you had more hours in the day? Well, what if I told you that AI can give you that time back? Today, we're diving into the top 5 AI tools every freelancer should be using in.
Finally, add auto captions for accessibility and make sure your visuals, voice, and music are balanced.
Are you a freelancer juggling content, clients, and deadlines?
Now you've got a fully edited AI-powered YouTube video with no camera, no voice, and no excuses. Now let's upload and optimize. Use a searchable title, like How to Start a YouTube Channel with AI. No camera, no voice. In the description, summarize what the video covers, list your tools, and add timestamps if needed. Tag your tools in your niche. Use keywords like Faceless YouTube, AI voiceover, or CapCut tutorial. For your thumbnail, I recommend Canva. Use Magic Design or build one from scratch. Use bold text, high contrast, and a visual hook. Not too much clutter. Want to test options later? Try TubeBuddy for thumbnail A/B testing. That's how you start and grow a YouTube channel using only AI. No camera, no voice, no excuses. I'm building this channel the exact same way, and I'll be sharing every step of the journey. Subscribe if you're building with me, comment with your favorite tool, and turn on the bell so you never miss a drop. See you in the next one.